Blocks of letters are great for headings. They are easy to learn how to draw yourself. Blocks of letters are drawn around regular letters. Add perspective with diagonal lines and shadows to make your letters pop. So, we are going to watch about the how to draw 3D block letters.
Method 1. Drawing block letters.
First is write large capital letters in the middle of your page with a pencil. It may be easier to practice on graph paper. It's also possible to do lowercase letters in 3D. Write the letters in pencil because they will act as guidelines.
Step 2. Sketch block outlines around your letters in pencil.
If you're drawing on graph paper, just trace the graph paper in rectangular blocks around your letters. Make sure the letters are all about the same width. For letters with curves, like C, try to draw a smooth curve. Step 3. Go over your block outlines in pen or marker to finalize them. Wait for the ink to dry before erasing your pencil marks. Try to make smooth, clean lines instead of light, feathery lines. If it helps, try using a straight edge ruler.
Finally, erase all of the pencil markings.
Clear away the eraser shavings so that they don't get in the way. Use a large, soft eraser to erase all of the stray pencil marks and sketched lines.
Method 2. Adding 3D perspective.
First is choose a vantage point for your letters to make them 3D. Your vantage point will determine the direction you draw your diagonal lines. Decide whether you want to view your block letters from above or below. If you were looking at them straight on from the front, they'd just look like ordinary block letters. Step 2. Draw small diagonal lines from the corners of your letters in pencil. Most people draw their block letters viewed from above. Be sure to draw all of the lines so that they tilt in the same direction. If it helps, choose a vanishing point in the background.
Finally, connect the ends of the diagonal lines together.
Think of it like drawing a cube, where you first draw a square, then small diagonal lines, and then connect the lines in another square. It's just like that, except the shapes are letters instead of squares.
Method 3. Filling in the shadows.
First is imagine that your vantage point is a light source. Most light sources are from above, like the sun, the moon, and overhead lighting. But you can have the light source be on the bottom if you want the letters to look like they're behind. Stage lights.
Step 2. Darken the surfaces away from the light source.
If your light source is in the upper left corner, all the right-hand surfaces of your letters will be dark. Use a dark pencil, pen, or marker to shade in the surfaces of the letter that face away from the light source. Step 3. Add cast shadows to the letters, if you'd like. If you are adding cast shadow, make sure to also add in cast shadows in holes in the letters. For example, in the letter R, one part of the top bit of the letter would cast a shadow on the other bit.
Finally, finished. We hope it is useful to you. Please subscribe to our channel to upskill yourself.